Welcome to QSU Cabarugis Campus. Pagpasok mo pa lang, matatanaw mo na ang ganda at naglalakihang establishmento ng QSU State University.
Hi everyone, I'm Jenny Lindalama and I'm going to explore QSU Cabarugis Campus.
At ito na nga ang B.Ed Department, ang tagapagturo sa hinaharap na may kasanayan at kaalaman. And also the Department of BSBA and BS Entrep, the foundation of business and business planning. And here we go to the Department of Civil Engineering. And here we go again in Librarian Building. It's a place where people can learn, grow, and connect with each other. So ayun, andito naman tayo sa di nagpapatalo at palaban ang Department of Criminology. Welcome to QSU Medical Center.